Tired of juggling multiple apps and wasting time on repetitive tasks? Let's build a custom Slack app to streamline your workflow and boost team productivity. First, head over to OAuth and create a new app from scratch. Give it a name that reflects its purpose and select the workspace where you want to install it. Navigate to basic information and scroll down to credentials. Keep these details safe, as they are crucial for authenticating your app. Now, go to OAuth Permissions and define the scopes your app needs. These permissions determine what your app can access and do within your workspace. For example, you might need ChatWrite to send messages or UserThread to access user information. Next, set up event subscriptions, enable events, and provide a request URL. This is the endpoint where Slack will send event data to your app. Time for the fun part: coding. Use your favorite programming language and the Slack API to handle incoming events. This is where you'll define the logic for your custom features. Remember to verify the signing secret provided by Slack to ensure requests are legitimate. Create /commands to allow users to interact with your app directly from the Slack message box. Define the command, its request URL, and a helpful description. For interactive elements like buttons and menus, configure interactive components and provide a request URL to handle user interactions. Once you're satisfied, install your app to your workspace and authorize the requested scopes. And there you have it, your very own Slack app, ready to automate tasks and enhance collaboration. Explore the Slack API documentation for even more advanced features. Happy coding!